Hi Flawless London, how are ya? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan if you don't know me already. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, things that I bought during lockdown. Really wanted to pick me up, so let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with my Morphe package. This is a proper bargain, like proper bargain. So the first thing I got was the Jaclyn Hill powder brush, the JH01, and it literally says on the back, life's too short to not own bomb brushes. Jaclyn Hill, you are so right. So let's try and get this out and have a look at it. Love that. Oh, it's so soft. Can't wait to powder my face. Love that. So this was supposed to be £24 and I got it for £9.60. Bargain. The next brush I actually got was a Jeffree Star brush. I love Jeffree Star brushes. They're all amazing, and I actually picked up the JS20 and it's called Cover Me in Blush Brush. Love that. It's so soft. Love it. Hi Flawless London, how are ya? So next order was from Benefit. They also had a sale on. Another bargain. Love it. Hey gorgeous, laughter is the best cosmetic. Benefit. So true. I did pick up a Christmas item, but I really wanted this and I thought I'd get the mini one so I could try it out. So this is the Hula Mini, and this usually prices for £13, but I actually got it for £8.71. Love that. Can't beat it. And the second bargain that I picked up is the Party Like a Flock Star palette, and this should have been £29.50 and I actually got it for £17.70. Here it is. Packaging's so cute. This is what it looks like inside. It's cute. It's got the Dandelion blush that they're famous for, California, which I'm so excited to try, and Hula Light and Hula Normal. I'm so excited to try these two. I literally cannot wait. This is mainly the reason why I bought the whole palette. These four eyeshadows, these two are lip colours, and these are lip shines. Let me know in the comments down below if you actually want to see me use this palette. Probably going to do it anyway, but let me know anyway. So the next order was from Feel Unique. These are all just products that I've really wanted to pick up for a long time and just never picked them up. So I've treated myself. I needed to pick me up. So first I've got the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I've got this in the lighter shade. So you actually get a little silicone thing with it, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so excited to try this. Definitely using that in another video. So the next thing that I picked up is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. So I picked this up for two reasons. I really want to do a video where I do like a full face of brands that start with M, because obviously I'm called Megan. That's where the M comes from, but you know that already. And I really want to try that TikTok hack where you put your primer on and then you put your powder on and then you put your foundation on and it's supposed to stick. And I thought the Matte and Poreless would be a good powder to choose. So yeah, and this is £5.99. The third item that I picked up is such an iconic item. It's a Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, however it's said. This powder is something that I've wanted to try for a really long time, so I thought I'm saving money, I'm being at home. I'm not really saving money because I've been buying quite a bit of makeup, and this is only part one of the video. A lot more to come. But yeah, I can't really justify it. I just wanted it, so I got it. I think the reason that I haven't actually picked it up before is because it is like £32. So it's just, you can get powders for much cheaper, but I'm so excited to see if it's worth the hype. So the final order that I did was from BeautyBay, and these are all full price products. So the first thing I got was a Revolution baked bronzer. I've never had a baked bronzer. This was literally £3.95, so I'm so excited to give this a go. Definitely be using this, and I got this in the shade Holiday Romance. So the second item that I picked up was actually a panic buy. The original mascara that I wanted sold out when I was literally about to pay, so I thought I'll just put another one in my basket straight away. And I'm not gonna lie, it was the packaging that did it for me. I did buy this on packaging. This is the Revolution Blowout Mascara. I'm so excited to try this, and this is £7.95. Another Revolution product I picked up, it was the Conceal and Define. I've never actually had this product, so I'm so excited to try it. I see loads of YouTubers actually use this, so it must be pretty good if they use it on a regular basis. And I got this in the shade C1, hoping it's not going to be too light, but I can always mix it in with something else. So the next thing that I picked up was the Milani Baked Blush. I'm so excited to try this. This is in the shade Luminoso. This is such an iconic shade that I've just never owned. That's exciting. That swatch so nice. I'm so excited to try this. I cannot wait. This will be in a future video. And this was £10.95. So next I picked up the LA Girl Lightning Pigment, and I've got a few foundations that I really like the formula of, but they are a little bit too dark for me unless I go crazy with the fake tan, which I don't always do. But this was £8.50, and I think this is an absolute bargain. You only need a tiny bit of it, and it means I can still use all my other dark foundations all the time. So the next item I picked up is the Mascara Revolution by Revolution. I really love Revolution as a brand. They make some amazing things. I've seen a few YouTubers actually use this quite a few times, so excited to actually try this out. The next item that I actually picked up is the Adele Professional Lashes, and I got this in Natural 103 and they're black ones. This was £2.25. You get the lashes and you get glue as well. These look so nice. I feel like they'll go great because they're not too long. They'll be perfect for my hooded eyes. Last but not least, I picked up the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation. This has been out a while, but once again, I've seen loads of other people use it. Never picked it up myself, but I'm so excited to try it. And I actually got it in the shade 01A Creamy Nude. I'm a little bit worried it's going to be too dark, but I can always use some of this to lighten it. So that's everything I picked up so far. I did actually go on another bit of a spending spree, but those items haven't come, so there might be a part 2. Hit the like button if you want to see a part 2, or if you want to see me use any of these products. Comment down below any of your favourite products. Did I buy something that you love? And subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!